Welcome back to my channel and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your smocking pattern onto fabric. I'm using silk fabric here. Iron and remove the wrinkles. Make dots on your fabric. For this, you can follow the method which I used. And if you want to learn, watch my full video, and I'm posting the link of this video under the description section. I would like to hear your feedback and you can leave them under the comment section as well. Make it 2.5 to 3 times wider than what your pattern calls for. Check out Handiwork's YouTube channel for more tutorials. You have to use a new string for each row. Now, you have to pull the string from the corner. Make sure to do this very slowly without damaging the pattern. Pull them carefully where the pattern will blow in from top to bottom and left to right. If the pattern got tightened, ease it and make it into the same gap. You can use a pen or a small tool to make the shape appear in a proper way. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.